Hi everyone, in this session we will see modifier 22. 22 is increased procedural services. So when to append this modifier, and also we'll see one scenario to have a better idea. So suppose when a physician or else a surgeon who is performing a surgery, so the procedure time taking is typically more than the time required for the procedure. Like if you take one example, a physician or surgeon, whoever it is performing the procedure actual time is 2 hours, but if it is taking more than 2 hours, 3 hours, so in those cases we will be appending the modifier 22 to that particular surgical procedure CPT code. So in the medical report we have to check the documentation, why it is taking more time, and if any technical difficulty is there, what is the reason. So clearly we have to check for these in the medical report, and this modifier is appended to the CPT procedure code and not to the ENM service. Okay, this is appended to the CPT code. And if suppose this 22 is not appended to that particular surgery procedure code, the claim will be denied. So we have to check for the reasons clearly. If it is taking really more time, that is actual time is 2 hours, but if it is taking more time and what is the reason, we have to check clearly and then append the 22 modifier. And for that particular reason, if we are not appending, the claim will be denied. So please do check for that. And then we'll see one example also. So here a patient is undergoing a surgery, that is appendectomy, and a surgeon is performing the procedure, and during the procedure time the patient had excessive bleeding during the surgery time. So that took 2 hours to control the bleeding. So in order to control the bleeding to the patient, the surgeon took more than 2 hours. So he took 2 hours to control the bleeding. So here the additional time has been taken by the surgeon, right? So here actually appendectomy procedure time is only 1 hour, but here as the patient had the complication, and to control that the surgeon is taking 2 hours. So it means it's a increased procedural services, right? So here actual time is 1 hour, but it's taking 2 hours. Why? Because we have to check for the reason, right? So we have to check the documentation, the reason why, because the patient had bleeding during the procedure time and it's been controlled. So that's why an additional time is taken by the surgeon. So to the appendectomy surgery CPT code, we have to bill 22 modifier. If it is not billed, the claim will be denied and the physician will not get the payment, physician or surgeon, whoever it is. So like this we have to append the 22 modifier, and this is about the 22 modifier. So it's a increased procedural services. So whenever a procedure is having some particular time, if it is taking more than the actual time, so in those circumstances we have to append the modifier 22. So we'll see the remaining modifiers in the next session. If you have any queries, please comment below. Thank you.